Have you ever wondered how the whey protein in your shake is made? Today, we'll take you on a journey from farm to factory, exploring the detailed process of how whey protein is produced. The production of high-quality whey protein begins with selecting the best milk. Dairy farms supplying the milk ensure their cows are well cared for, fed on nutrient-rich diets to produce milk of superior quality. This milk is rich in essential nutrients like proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. The farms adhere to strict standards, regularly testing the milk for purity and quality. Once collected, the milk is transported in refrigerated tanks to maintain freshness, which is crucial for the subsequent processing stages. At the factory, the milk undergoes pasteurization, a heat treatment process that kills harmful bacteria and extends the milk's shelf life. This initial step is vital as the quality of the raw milk directly influences the quality of the whey protein. By starting with the best possible milk, manufacturers lay a solid foundation for producing a high-quality protein product. After the milk arrives at the processing facility, the first major step is to extract the whey. This process involves curdling the milk using enzymes or acids, separating the liquid whey from the solid curds. The curds are used to make cheese, while the liquid whey is collected for further processing. This whey contains a mix of water, lactose, minerals, and proteins. The liquid whey undergoes a series of filtration processes, such as ultrafiltration and microfiltration, to concentrate the proteins. These processes help to remove fats and lactose, leaving behind a protein-rich liquid. This step is crucial in ensuring that the final whey protein product is both nutritious and low in unwanted components like fats and sugars. The concentrated whey is then ready for further refinement and purification. The concentrated whey obtained from the initial filtration process contains a significant amount of protein along with residual lactose and fats. To further increase the protein content, the whey undergoes additional filtration methods, including ion exchange or more advanced membrane filtration techniques. These methods help to isolate and purify the protein content by removing even more lactose, fats, and other impurities. This process yields whey protein concentrate, typically containing around 70–80% protein. For those seeking an even higher protein content, whey protein isolate is produced through further processing, which results in a product that is over 90% protein. This step ensures that the whey protein is not only rich in protein but also low in carbohydrates and fats, making it suitable for a variety of dietary needs. To achieve a pure protein product, the concentrated whey undergoes further processing to isolate the protein. Techniques like ion exchange and membrane filtration are employed. Ion exchange uses a resin to bind the protein, separating it from other components. Meanwhile, membrane filtration physically separates the proteins based on size and charge. These methods are highly effective in removing remaining impurities, resulting in whey protein isolate, which is over 90% pure protein. This high level of purity makes the product suitable for those with lactose intolerance or those seeking to minimize fat and carbohydrate intake. After this step, the isolated protein is thoroughly tested to ensure it meets the desired purity and quality standards before proceeding to the drying stage. The isolated whey protein, now a concentrated liquid, is transformed into powder form through a drying process. The most common method used is spray drying, where the liquid whey protein is sprayed into a large chamber filled with hot air. As the liquid droplets encounter the hot air, the water quickly evaporates, leaving behind a fine protein powder. This method ensures that the protein's nutritional qualities are preserved and results in a product with a consistent texture. The powder is then cooled and stored in a controlled environment to maintain its freshness and quality. The drying process is carefully monitored to prevent overheating, which could denature the proteins and reduce their effectiveness. The resulting powder is a highly concentrated protein source ready for flavoring and blending. Once the whey protein is in powder form, it undergoes flavoring and blending to enhance its taste and appeal. Flavors such as chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry are added, along with sweeteners like stevia or sucralose to improve taste. This process not only makes the protein more enjoyable to consume, but also caters to various consumer preferences. Additionally, manufacturers may add other ingredients like vitamins, minerals, or digestive enzymes to boost the product's nutritional profile. The blending process ensures that all ingredients are evenly distributed, providing a consistent taste and texture. The flavored protein powder is then tested for taste and quality to ensure it meets the brand's standards before packaging. Quality control is a critical aspect of the whey protein production process, ensuring that each batch meets stringent safety and quality standards. This involves a series of tests to check for contaminants like heavy metals, bacteria, and other impurities that could compromise the product's safety. Additionally, the protein content is verified to ensure that it meets the specifications, providing consumers with accurate nutritional information. Sensory tests, including taste and texture evaluations, are conducted to ensure the product is consistent in quality and flavor. Any batch that fails to meet these rigorous standards is discarded. This thorough quality control process ensures that the final product is not only safe, but also of the highest quality, providing consumers with a reliable source of nutrition. Once the whey protein has passed all quality control checks, it moves to the packaging stage. The protein powder is carefully measured and placed into a variety of containers, such as jars, bags, or canisters. These containers are specifically designed to protect the powder from moisture and contaminants, ensuring that the product stays fresh and safe for consumption. The packaging materials are chosen for their strength and durability, maintaining the integrity of the product during transport and storage. Each package is then labeled with essential information, including the product name, ingredients, nutritional facts, and usage instructions. These labels also feature branding elements that help the product stand out on store shelves, attracting potential customers. Effective packaging not only preserves the whey protein's quality but also provides convenience and safety for the consumer, ensuring that they receive a top-quality product ready for use. Once packaged, the whey protein products are prepared for shipping and distribution. They are packed into larger boxes or pallets and transported to warehouses or directly to retailers. The distribution process is carefully coordinated to ensure timely delivery to various markets, both domestically and internationally. The logistics team works closely with shipping companies to manage inventory levels, ensuring that stores are adequately stocked. Proper handling during transportation is crucial to prevent damage and maintain the product's quality. The whey protein is distributed to a wide range of outlets, including supermarkets, health stores, and online retailers, ensuring that it is easily accessible to consumers. The final stage involves tracking the products to ensure they reach their destination safely and on time. Finally, the whey protein reaches the consumers, ready to support their fitness and nutritional goals. Whether used by athletes, bodybuilders, or individuals looking to increase their protein intake, whey protein offers a convenient and effective way to supplement the diet. The product's versatility allows it to be easily incorporated into smoothies, shakes, or even baked goods, making it a popular choice for various dietary needs. The packaging provides clear instructions and information, helping consumers make informed choices about their nutrition. From the careful selection of milk to the meticulous packaging process, every step ensures that the whey protein is of the highest quality. As a result, consumers can trust that they are getting a product that is safe, effective, and beneficial for their health. And that's how whey protein is made. From the farm to your shaker bottle, it's a journey of precision and care. If you want to explore more exciting stories, watch our next video.